In front of me is Motorola Moto G9 Play, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Caffeine. Keep screen on. When it's ready, open it. Now hit OK in Welcome pop-up. Tap on Timeout at the top and make sure that Infinite is on. Lastly, go into Tab menu and look for a Caffeine shortcut. If you can't find it, select this pen icon at the bottom left corner. Look for it over here and drag it to the top. Then let go. Go back, and if it's grey, click on it to activate it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!